Hello everyone, welcome back to LT Education. Today we are covering the payroll area. So first of all, what is the payroll area? Payroll area is basically dividing the employee based on the geographical location, on their taxation or the pay frequency. So different kind of employees belong to different location and they have different pay frequency. Like someone would be paid monthly, someone would be paid fortnightly. So to club the employee of the same location, same pay frequency, we create the payroll areas. So now we'll see how to create a payroll area. First of all, go to SPRO, then click on SAP reference IMG, then go to payroll. Under payroll, select your payroll country. In our case, we are creating the payroll area for the country India. Then go to basic settings, then go to payroll organization. Then under that, click on check payroll accounting area. In our previous video, we have created the period parameters and date modifier. So you can go through them and come back to this video. So now we will click on check payroll area. The create control code, we will be covering this in our future video. So now we are focusing on creating the payroll area. So now I will click on the new entry. So payroll area is basically the alphanumeric code. So it can have the alphabet, it can have the uh, digit. So let's suppose and maybe it is. Let's just see is IN is available already, or we can create. IN is like to. No. So first of all, let's see. We are creating the payroll area as IN. Let's see if it is existing in the system or not. So it is not existing in the system. So we will create a payroll area IN. So payroll area tax, let's suppose it is a monthly payroll area. So we will set monthly. So the employee should be paid monthly. So this kind of payroll area we are creating. We will select the period parameter. So in our previous video, we have created the period parameter as 99. So we are selecting this. So we will be running this or not. So we will selecting this run icon, checking this box. Now the date modifier. So we are using the date modifier as standard modifier 00 because we have not created any date modifier to pay the employee. We are creating the payroll area for the same so that we can pay the employee on based on the different dates. Now I will click on save. It will you will get a prompt to save this request. So if you have created your own customizing request or your transport request, you can select this from clicking on this F4 icon, double square icon. So now I will be saving. You see the payroll area as IN has been created. Let me go back and see in display. See the payroll area IN is created. Okay. By default it is 00. Okay. Now in our next video, we will be generating the payroll periods. We will be entering the few details for generating the payroll period like period parameter, date modifier, financing, start date, fiscal year, payday rule. Okay. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.